It's so weird. Okay. I did it again, but this time it's not too bad. It's only one bag this time. One bag. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shirley and I'm back with another haul video from Boohoo again because the first one was just so amazing that I had to go and do it again. Like, oopsie daisy. I was scrolling through Boohoo because you know they're always having a 60% sale like every day, and they always sending you these emails and you have no choice but to give in, you know, since this whole thing is going on, since we can't really do much. So I'm just like, let me get these outfits together so when we can go outside, we're gonna be out here slaying, okay? I went ahead and I purchased a few items, just like a little bit, not a lot of stuff, and I thought I would share it with you guys. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, you know, turn that push notification, click on the bell. And make sure you comment down below which one of the outfits you like best. Without further ado, let's get into this haul. Alright, okay, so the first item that I'm going to be trying on, this is the high waist skinny jeans, and they were like $8. I was like, what? $8? I did get them in a size 16 because I didn't want them to be tight on me. I was going for more of like a looser type of jeans because I only have like one pair of jeans, so now I have 3 pairs of jeans and I'm just so excited. So I got it for $8. Yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. These are the jeans. Okay, got my Spanx on. Oh my gosh, they're really fitted. So, this is what the jeans look like. Okay. You can see it's not like tight on me, but it's loose around here, so it's stretchy too. Here I am thinking that it wasn't gonna fit. Thought it wasn't gonna fit. I thought it was gonna be like loose, but it's a perfect fit. Okay. Alright, so I have another pair of jeans as well. This one is the high-rise mom jeans. You know, like everybody likes mom jeans, and I never had mom jeans, so I'm like, let me go get mom jeans. Alright, so got the mom jeans on. Maybe I should tuck my shirt in. Oh, it does button up. Okay, you can see it's a little long. Probably have to cut it up. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, like I have no butt. There's a little gap back here. Like it's wide around here, but it's tight around here, and then it's loose at the end. These jeans were like $11.80, so not bad at all for the pricing, so can't really complain. Not bad. What do you think? Comment down below. The next item that I have, this is the plus basic, well, this is the basic cycling shorts, color black. It's nice and comfortable. Look at it. It's long. You know what? It's long and it's not bad. What do you think? I could have went for a size 12, but just to be safe, I went for this size. A 12 would have been more fitted. This one feels a little bit loose, which is not bad. I don't mind, but the 12 would have been more fitted. So if you want to get these cycling shorts, I think they were like $4. You get a size down if you want it to be nice and snuggy, but if you want it to like be a little bit loose, you can get your actual size. So yeah, not bad. They do feel comfortable. Material is nice and stretchy, which is about like all their Boohoo items are always nice and super stretchy, which is what I appreciate. Okay, so the next item I have this slogan jersey gym leggings, size 14, color gray, and they were at $8. It also comes with like the sports bra that says like training day, but then like I didn't really like it, so I didn't get it, or I didn't like the price, can't remember. So I didn't get it, but I just got the bottom, just says training day, like something I can wear around the house, or you know, when I go work out. So this is it feels so smooth, like it feels so comfortable. It doesn't even feel like you have anything on. Oh, this feels very smooth. This is what it looks like in the bottom. Oh my god, this feels very, very nice. Training day. It feels like you're not really wearing anything. Like, it's so comfy. The material is very smooth. Very, very, very nice. Very stretchy as well. So I can put my leg up, you know, when I get ready to work out. Put my leg up, put my leg up, hey, put my leg up, hey, put my leg up, hey, my leg up. You guys, if they still have this on the website, go and get it. Okay, so the next item that I have, this is the striped oversized smock dress, and this was $12.80. Okay, so I have the dress on, but I feel like I can't zip it up. Like, I need assistance. Hold on. She's a what? INDEPENDENT. Do you know what that means? Alright, so we have the dress on. Oh my god, it feels comfortable. It make my boobs look like smushed together, but you know, it's nice and comfortable. So this is what the dress looks like. As you guys can see. I wish it was more cinched at the waist, because from the side it looks like huge, but it works out. Let's say you ate a lot and you don't, you know, then they can't tell like if it's the dress or if it's you. Even though it's you, but they can't tell. But you guys, it gives me the illusion that I have a booty. Come on now, I like this dress. I like it. Yes, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Well, I also got these flats. So I got the wide fit pointed sling back ballets. I got them in a I got them a size 8. Hold up. This is what the shoes look like. So it goes really nice with this dress on. Oh, and it's comfortable. You guys, you know, I have to wear closed-toe shoes because Rona got everybody out here with their toes looking like it's looking. And until, you know, until this quarantine is over, your girl will be wearing closed-toed shoes in public. Oh my god, it's so comfortable. Look. I don't feel like zooming down there, but look at my shoes. They're comfortable. And they have the strap. I'm a little ashy. Please don't judge me. Yeah. Okay. The next item that I have, I think this is the one that I spent the most money on because I was like, I need this in my life. This is the Heart Organza Blouson midi dress, size 14. The color, they say is ivory. Looks white to me, but I guess. And I got it for $16, okay? This is what the dress looks like. I'm guessing this is what you call Ortanga? I don't know. I don't know these fashion words. Don't judge me. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Oh, I can't wait to wear it. So, you know, like, for my church on the first Sundays, they have like communion and we have to wear like all white. And I've been looking the best lately, so you know I gotta come to it show and slay when we can go back, you know, and wear my all white with a little bit of black in it, you know, for communion. So let me go ahead and try this dress on. She shall be back, okay? Trying on my clothes with a face of makeup is kind of hard, but we got it. So this is the dress. This is what it looks like. Oh, okay, I did put it through the hole. Okay, this is the midi. The tie doesn't look the best because I don't know how they tied it. I really gotta get rid of this, you guys. Like, listen, I don't mind being like, you know, plus size or whatever. Just my stomach is just like one of the things that I have low self-esteem on. My stomach when I wear certain outfits, and it just like bothers me. So I am working on fixing that. But then again, I love food, so it's like you gotta do something. you gotta give something to gain something type of situation. So this is what the dress looks like. It's long. Can you see me now? This is how long it is. Yeah. Or if I'm like invited to somebody's you know, little situation, little party that requires all white, I got it. I'm ready. Like, I got the shoes. Just send me the Addy. Just drop the location, and I'm gonna be there in my white outfit. Okay? Really cute. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know. So we have our last and final outfit. This is it's called Wiggle Midi Dress, and this is in the color red. So it comes in red and black and pink and all these other colors. I almost got the black one because I'm like, I need a black dress. But then I was like, you already have enough black dresses, Shirley. You don't need another black dress. But I'm like, but you know, I have red dresses too, so I don't need another red dress. So then it was like a battle. So the red dress one. So I got the red dress. So this is what the dress is looking like on your girl. I don't know. I don't feel too crazy about the slit right here. I don't know. I just don't like it from me. For some reasoness. Maybe it feels like, I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. What do you guys think about this little red dress? You know? Because you need a little red dress in your closet, okay? Am I right or am I right? I didn't know how to feel about this dress. I think from a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give it like a 6 or a 7. Just the slit. The slit sometimes just like messes me up. Like, I wish it was just like no slit. But then I saw the picture before I ordered it, but I didn't know. Whatever. So it's nobody to blame but me, you know, me. So, but I like the arm part. It feels very nice and loose. I just wish the rest of the outfit was loose. Maybe that's what it's missing. I want it to be loose, not like fitted on me. I want it to be loose. But nonetheless, I really like it. Let me know down below what you guys think of this outfit, and most importantly, what you guys think of the haul. So this is pretty much it for this haul, you guys. These are all the items that I got. I told you it wasn't a lot because I told you it wasn't bad because, you know, I've been trying to be a good girl or whatever. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and you guys should stay safe, stay prayed up, put God first like I always say, and you'll never be last, and practice safe hygiene. Wash your hands. If you don't have no business being out, don't be out. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Click on that bell notification to get notified when I post, and put God first, and He will never be last. And I'm just wishing everybody out there to stay safe and know that this too shall pass, and just trust in God, because it says in His word, you know, He will never leave you nor forsake you, and that He is with you always, even until the ends of the earth. And trust in God, and everything will work out for the goodness of those who love the Lord. And that's it. If that's it, boo-boo, that's it. That's all I really gotta say. So I'll see you guys in my next video.